Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video we're doing another episode where I draw Lego Ninjago characters in my own style. And as a character for this video I chose one of the bad guys, General Cryptor, who is a very cool robot type character, so let's not wait any longer and let's get drawing. General Cryptor was one of the many Nindroids designed by the Overlord and served as their commander. Cryptor found himself at odds with the original Nindroid Zane, whose design had inspired his. Cryptor and his allies fought to stop the ninja from erasing the digital overlord from the Digiverse. Despite failing to do so, Cryptor and the Nindroids claimed the golden weapons, which allowed for the birth of the Golden Master. During the assault on the city, Cryptor fought against Nia and was frozen when Zane sacrificed himself to defeat the Golden Master. Subsequently, Cryptor was destroyed, being shattered apart. Okay, the rough sketch is done and everything is into place now. Let's get more into detail with pencils. Pencils done, every important decision is made. Let's hit the final phase of this drawing, and that is inking. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made of General Cryptor, and if you want to see all my other Ninjago drawings I already made on this channel, please check out my playlist here. And if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!